Yeah, a little windy out here. I drove for over an hour to give you a tour of my favorite store in Canada, woodworking or wood turning, Woodchuckers. This is my favorite place. If you've never been here, you should come by. This is carbon accessories. They have some dyes here, some lots of finishes, epoxy, glue, you name it. Power tools. Great selection and tools. Grinding wheels. They sell not just lathe and grinders, they do bandsaws and all kinds of stuff. Lots of pen blanks. They have a whole, and this is the best part of it, is wood. Lots of wood. You can spend so much time here finding your perfect piece to turn, or for any project for that matter. Have some crazy exotic pieces. Check this out. Pearls. Cookies. Stuff ready to go to the cutting boards. Safety equipment. Sanding. More blanks. Pen blanks. And a whole room dedicated to pen turning. I'm not into pen turning, but maybe you are, so I'm not gonna say much here because I don't know much about it, but every accessory you're looking for, they have. Then there is like a million slabs of different kinds. This will make a great fireplace mantle. And if you're a fine turner and want to do some very stable burls, they got all kinds of them. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoy the video. Come and visit us, guys. They also ship. You can find them online at woodchuckers.com.